That serve coming from Hernandez. They go up to Ordiales. Off the blockers was Leo.
Leo's starting here already to produce more attacks for the Spikers. Speaking of
No
attacks,
attackers.
yes, Yoyong Mendoza has been very effective already with 12. Peng Tagibolos now serving. Out of system there for Gloria.
Oh, what a block there coming from NU. Get tighter. That's a tighter block there for the blue shirts. Oh, solid block there coming from Obed.
Also of low fast set.
Yeah. Di mo alam sino papalo.
Mhm.
Oh, what a serve coming from Yoyong. They go up to Jade. That's off the hands of LaSalle.
Flores was there, but
On the other side, yung Obed and Jade. Kapultos with that first ball. They go to Obed Mukaba.
and the showdown.
Medyo buka talaga yung set.
Yeah, for them to spike a little longer kasi we are used to getting that the middle blockers spike directly, no? Pero mas mahirap kuhanin eh kasi
With her explanation, sumakto eh. Isa with that serve. Kapultos, pick up. They go up to Ordiales who goes down the line.
it has been very effective that down the line.
Back row. 3-point lead for NU. That serve coming from Mukaba. That is a solid denial coming from Mukaba now serves. Going for the jump serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. Oh. Ball still alive. Jade was there. Ancheta going up to Buds. And Budin gets point number 8. They now get the opportunity to serve with a full front line. Let's see if they'll be able to maximize this. Ancheta going to Ordiales. That's the kind of serve set that he wants. That is napapabagal talaga yung bola. Quick hit that works for Paulo Layog. But nakapuhunan ang NU dito. So there's a 4-point lead for the Bulldogs. Let's see what they'll do. Ordiales off speed. Regidor going up to Yoyong Mendoza, gets a check.
Wow, it takes a lot of guts to go down the line because
Hernandez will be serving. Pick up there, Begapultos. One-handed set, a great set there coming from Ancheta. Gloria off the blockers, coverage coming from LaSalle. Gloria this time. Oh, there's going to be an infraction on the net called against NU. Chris Hernandez will be serving for the LSU. They're just down by 2. Oh, tough serve, but great pickup from Gapultos. Budin cross court. Oh, this is still alive. They go up to Hernandez from the back. Ancheta was there. Set up. Going to Ordiales. Off the blockers was Leo.
Ordiales is locked in.
Buds with that serve. Regidor going up to Eugene. Picked up there by Budin. Craig going to Jade. Desquitado.
We can see the composure here of Greg Ancheta even.
Ancheta. Talagang mas relax siya, mas may kumpiyansa siya in this set. Very different from what happened in that second set. Ancheta slows down the ball for Desquitado. That works. This calm setting really works for this NU squad. Budin serving now. Oh. Tougher serves now coming from Buds, huh? Yoyong with the chance ball. Gapultos was there. Ancheta going up to Ordiales with that push. Variation working for NU. Very, very silent for LaSalle. Only 2 points in the set for Yoyong. Desquitado off the blockers. Ancheta going to Jade again. He's denied, but this time that goes out. Set up, going up to Gloria. He's denied. Isa tried. He's denied again. There's going to be a reaching beyond the net violation or infraction called against LaSalle.
A little harder to block from the side of the opponent, but the perfect timing is just there.
You can't do that pag yung NU na umayos na yung blocking, hindi pwede. They go up to Leo Ordiales. This time through the blockers was Leo. Speaking of some order, may nangungulit sa atin dito ha. Let's say hi to Ayel Estaniero. Tawang-tawa daw siya na tinanong mo ako ng question kanina. Babawi ako, Ayel, mamaya. At ito, bumabawi, Yoyong Mendoza from the right pin. Familiar face to the Bulldogs, NJ Fortuna. Together with NJ Banjit. Let's see how things will change with their entry. Disquitado going down the line. They find the line.
Again, both teams are just compensating their errors in attacks. And you know, this is a good thing if you have already the leverage of points.
High attacking team itong NU as very offensive also in the net defense. And it's an 8-point lead for NU. That serve coming from Jade. They go up to Isa. Isa is denied.
Oh, like last game nila, UE, he had 6 blocks also.
Yeah. Looking to replicate yata. Oh, but on the other side, Hernandez. It is very possible that Obed will outperform his season high which was that UE game. Oh, that's still alive. Hernandez is denied there by Mukaba.
Saw the frustration there from Obed Mukaba. It was supposed to be a point for him.
This is very far from Hernandez's season high, which was that first round against NU at 18 points. He's just at 8 points.
They already have 6 errors here.
6-point game. Isa with that serve. Ancheta sets up Budin off speed. That finds a campfire hole right in the middle.
Yes.
It's injury prone. Solid serve.
Good
Big up
set.
to Ordiales off the blockers. Kept alive there by Mendoza. That push coming from the middle from Peng. Gloria was there to Disquitado. They go up to Ordiales. Popped up by Hernandez. Gloria will try. Jade was there. Oh, a miscue on the set, but Vol is still alive. Solid serve. Yoyong getting that one through the blockers this time.
Nakabawi.
Paulo Layo with his serve. Picked up there by Jade. They go up to Ordiales. Touched by Layo. That is going to be set point for NU. In the favor of NU. Yoyong to serve. Pick up there by Buds. They go up to Disquitado! Ganun bumawi.